Good afternoon, everybody. I would like to welcome you to this illustration demonstration for Caitlin's Ice Cream Shop. This is C16, I believe. This is the third module on Microsoft Excel. I was planning to have this one illustrated via live, but technical difficulties, so I think it would be better this way. Now, as I was saying before on your chapter 3, notice that the headings in here at the very top of your screen actually consist of like more of an angular um, basis. So for you to do that, for you to be able to change the alignment itself, all you need to do is to click this section. It's under the Home tab, under the alignment group, and I click this one, or you can actually click this bottom portion of your ribbon and this one appears on the screen. Okay, so you can change the orientation into whatever degrees that you like. Let me just cancel that one, and let's say this one I would like to change and format the cells into, let's say, so right now it's on 60 degrees. If I make it, let's say 70 degrees, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so some of you are asking about that, how to change it. So you can actually flip and rotate text up if you want to, but for that requirement, that is actually 60 degrees. Okay, now what else do you need? This one computes for the gross margin. The formula for the gross margin will be equal sign B4 minus B5. So you are subtracting 11,687.50 from 55,000, resulting to 43,312. And this one will be easier if you autofill everything. Okay, now what else? For your bonus, this is very important because you are using an if condition. If B4 is greater than or equal to B21. What is B21? B21 is actually the sales revenue for bonus. So notice that in here, the formula for this is very important because you are using an absolute reference. So make sure to follow that specific instruction from your book as well. For your commission, this one is equal sign B4 times dollar symbol B dollar symbol 22. So B4 is actually the 55,000 given, and you're multiplying it to B22. What is B22 for the commission? So if there is a value that is constant, which is the 22.50%, then you need to make sure that that B22 doesn't change. All right. So I press escape just for you to see here. So this one is C4 times dollar $B dollar 22. So it's changing that first cell, but it keeps on multiplying it into dollar $B dollar 22. Same goes to this. This becomes D4, but this is a multiplication on dollar $B dollar 22, B22, because this is something that is constant. Okay, so keep that in mind. For your site rental, the same thing. You would like to multiply B4 of the revenue to B23. B23 is a constant 10%. So formula for this is equal sign B4 times dollar $B dollar 23. For this is C4, so it changes. So you're literally picking up the revenue for each month, but you're multiplying that where? To the 10.00%. Okay, I hope that is clear for the formula. Okay, and I hope this video is helpful for you. Same goes with your E. You're getting that 90,000 and you're multiplying that to 10%. Okay, now let's go to your marketing. This one is you're multiplying your 55,000 to where? To B24. And B24 is actually the 5%. Okay, so notice that there's a lot of absolute referencing for this chapter. So absolute referencing is one type of a cell reference that um, it won't change the row and the column when you copy that. So if there's a constant number that you will keep on using for your formula, you need to have an addition of a dollar symbol in between of that row and column. Okay, so the same goes with this. You're multiplying it into the 5% for this section. Okay, so it's it's the equal sign C4 times $B, $24, and for this one as well. Okay, now for equipment and repair, you're going to multiply that to 4%. So this one is equal sign B4 times $B, $25. So there is a number that is fixed in there. Same goes with this and this one as well. Okay. So notice that those formulas actually appear on your screen. Okay, the last one for the total, you are using summation function that allows you to get the summation on the entire row in here for each section. Okay, for total expenses, you're getting the summation of what for this one? Straight from bonus until B13, which is equipment, repairs, and maintenance. Same goes to this. Oops, sorry about that. You're getting from C9 to C13. The same thing with this. This is equal sign D9 to D13. So it's the same format. Use your fill handle so that it's a lot easier. For operating income, this is equal sign B6 minus B14. So you are subtracting this from this. So equal sign B6 minus B14. For this one, this is equal sign C6 minus C14, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for the bottom part, for your what if analysis, you need to make sure that you follow your instruction for what if analysis and goal seek to be able to get that one. This is how your chart looks like, and this is the expense chart for the second portion. Okay, so you make sure that you are selecting the right data so that your chart looks exactly the same as the illustration provided from your book. Okay, so I will see everybody for our next live instruction. Please make sure to finish the Excel folder as much as you could at the end of this week. And I hope you stay healthy and safe. And let me know if you have any question. Um, Email me or text me or call me. You know my cell phone number. And I will